Hello everyone, I am Parikshit Saikia and welcome to a new and exciting series, this time on the Maharashtra CET. Remember, Maharashtra CET is one exam that every aspirant should give. Some of the finest and top colleges of the country accept scores via the Maharashtra CET. And today, this first day of the month of February, we in Unacademy are starting a new series, a series which we believe will help you crack your Maharashtra CET exam. The good part, I myself have cracked the Maharashtra CET with a 99.88 percentile with an all India rank of 30, and this is from amongst 1 lakh plus students. So I'm going to help you crack the Maharashtra CET as well. With proper guidance, this is one exam which you can easily crack. But as always, the first thing I'm going to tell you, give me 5 seconds to ensure that I'm streaming live before we get started with today's session. Okay, I think we are streaming live and we are good to start. Small announcement at the start. On your screen are Unacademy learners who have cracked the CAT with flying colors. 100 percentile in LRDI and 99.8, 99.9, 99.8 overall percentile. So many of them. And we in Unacademy definitely believe that you can be one amongst the next. Okay. Also, there are a lot of upcoming batches which starts on Unacademy Plus. So the 1st of February, which is today, we have a final revision batch for the CMAT. 2nd February, a Achiever GDPI batch, right? Also, today the 1st of February, we are starting a late night CAT 2021 batch. And in another 3 days time, you will have an exclusive weekday batch for CAT 2021. So a lot of new batches starting, and in case you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus and you are serious about your CAT 2020 preparation, do definitely use this code, because this code will give you 10% discount on the subscription fee and will give you access to every course which is there on Unacademy for the CAT and other management entrance examinations. So 10% off using the code Parikshit Saikia. Also, the Unacademy Combat, which is a competition, is scheduled next on the 7th of February. A lot of prize money are to be won, and the best part is you can know where you stand in the competition, because thousands of students have enrolled for the Unacademy Combat. You can access Unacademy Combat absolutely free if you register as a first-time user. When I say first-time user, I mean with a mobile number which has not been registered with Unacademy before, and you can use this code Parikshit Saikia. Just use this code, you'll get access to this class absolutely free. Also, today I'm starting a new course for Maharashtra CET. Remember, on YouTube, I'm going to take Quants, and in Unacademy Plus, I'm going to start logical and abstract reasoning. Abstract reasoning is something that probably you have never done before, and this is a section which is there only in Maharashtra CET. So make sure that you do your right preparation with proper guidance. Do enroll for this course. Again, you can get 10% off using the code Parikshit Saikia. Let's get started. Okay. Now, I have a lot of questions on the screen, but before I get into the questions, some of you probably will not be much aware of the Maharashtra CET, and it is here that I want to spend some time talking about the Maharashtra CET before we actually get into the kind of questions that are being asked. Now, when will the Maharashtra CET happen? The Maharashtra CET happens in the month of March. The Maharashtra CET happens in the month of March. Okay. How many students, how many aspirants generally enroll for the Maharashtra CET? How many aspirants? It's over 1 lakh. Generally, if you look at the last few years data, it's over 1 lakh aspirants. Yes? Then, why do so many aspirants enroll? Because some of the finest colleges in the country, colleges in the top 10, accept score via the Maharashtra CET. So, names of colleges: JBIM, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Then you have got another college, SIMSRI, Sidnam Institute of Management Studies, Research and Entrepreneurship Education. Then you have got KJ Somaya, right? And then you have got Wellington. Now these are the top 4 colleges which accept students via the Maharashtra CET score, right? So, and the best part, the return on investment, the fees in these colleges is very less. As an example, SIMSRI, the fees is only 69,000. Remember, not lakh, 69,000 per annum. JBIMS is around 2 lakhs per annum. Around 2 lakhs per annum, right? So very less fees and very high placements. Remember, they are all located in Bombay, the heart of Asia, the financial hub of Asia, right? So all big companies do come there for placements. This is the best part, and that is why over 1 lakh aspirants write the CET every year. The next thing you might ask is, can only Maharashtra CET students write this exam? No, the answer is absolutely no. Any student from any part of the country can write the exam, but definitely there are reservations. There are reservations for Maharashtra people, so you will not get a reservation. That's it. And the other part that you need to talk about is that should I prepare for it? Definitely yes. What is the difficulty level? The difficulty level is like the NMAP and the SNAP. NMAP and the SNAP. So you have 150 minutes, 200 questions. 150 minutes, 200 questions. So difficulty level is like the SNAP and the NMAP, and hence you must write the Maharashtra CET. If you have not done specially well in the CAT, this is an exam to look for. Otherwise, we probably have to wait for 1 more year, right? So definitely write the CET and make sure if you get JBMS, it is as good as I am Lucknow, or for that matter, and I am Indore, right? Okay, let's get started. Let's get started with the questions. Okay, so if you have any doubt about the CET, you can ask me. I myself have given the CET and have scored 99.88 percentile in the CET. So I know the entire process, and I'm going to help you out in the journey. Let's look at question number 1. A and B started a business. So in this particular course, right, we are going to solve some very important questions which have been asked in previous year CET exams. A and B started a business by investing rupees 2,400 and rupees 3,600 respectively. Okay, so let's write it down. What is A? A is 2,400. What is B? B has invested 3,600. At the end of the 4th month from the start of the business, C joined with rupees X. So can I say C invested the money for 8 months? Remember, he started with X rupees and he came at the end of the 4th month. So in a year, his money was there for 8 months. So X into 8. Remember, how do you divide the profits in a partnership? Amount of money invested into the time period. Amount of money invested into the time period. After 8 months from the start of the business, B withdrew 600. It means for starting 8 months, B had starting 8 months, right? B had put 3,600 rupees. 3,600 rupees. But after that, he withdrew 600. So it means after that, B had got just 3,000 rupees, right? Into 4, remaining 4 months of the year. What about A? Nothing is given. So we'll assume that A had put his money for the entire duration of 12 months. For the entire duration of 12 months. You all get it? So do the calculation. 2,400 into 12 comes out to be 288, 240, 288, 00. Right? Next, 3,600 into 8. How much it is? 3,600 into 8 plus 12,000. How much will that come out to be? That comes out to be 40,800. Right? What about C? 8 into X is 8X. Correct? Now they say, if C's share is rupees 8,000 in the annual profit, C's share. So what does it mean? Can I say C divided by total into, what is the total profit? Total profit is 22,500. 22,500. If you do this calculation, They are saying it comes out to be 8,000. They are saying it comes out to be 8,000. So substitute the values. How much is C? C is 8x. What is the total? Total is 28,800, which is A, plus B. B is 40,800 plus C. C is 8x. This comes out to be 8,000. So you can do the maths. You can do the maths here. You can do the calculations. They are asking what was the amount that C invested. So very easy. It means they are asking you to find out the value of X. Remember, C had invested X rupees. X rupees. So how much is X? You can do the calculations yourself. X will come out to be 4,800. X will come out to be 4,800. That's your answer. That's your answer for the first one. Did you get it? Did you get it? Obviously, you have to multiply this with 22,500. 22,500, right? Into 22,500. So I'm revising. What is a partnership? Partnership is nothing but dividing profit. How do you divide the profit? In the ratio of money invested or the amount invested into the time period. So amount invested into the time period is what you need to do everywhere. A, amount invested into the time period. B, amount invested into the time period. C, amount invested into the time period. And then C divided by total into the total profit gets you C's amount. Get it? So answer is 4,800. Option D. Any doubt in the first one? I hope you all got it. I hope you all got it. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at number 2. Number 2. Okay. There are 4 consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers. 4 consecutive odd numbers. Okay. So if we have 4 consecutive odd numbers, how you take an odd number? Remember, odd number can be represented as 2x plus 1. Yes, 2x plus 1. Why cannot I take as x? Because if you take it as, let's say, x, and I say put x is equal to 2, then it's no longer odd. Then it's no longer odd. That is why odd numbers is always 2x plus 1 or minus 1, whatever you want. 2x plus 1. They are saying there are 4 consecutive odd numbers. So let's take 4 consecutive. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5, 2x plus 7. Correct? Can you put a value and check? Are these odd? Put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, first number becomes 3, second number becomes 5, next number becomes 7, next number becomes 9. Perfect. You have done it correct. Next, and 3 consecutive even numbers. So let's take the 3 consecutive even numbers. So even numbers can be represented as 2x. So first number, let it be 2x. Second number, let it be 2x plus 2. Next number, remember there is a difference of 2. There is a difference of 2 between any 2 consecutive even numbers. So 2x plus 4. Let's check. If you put x is equal to 1, you get 2. If you put x is equal to 1, you get 2 plus 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Absolutely correct. The average of the odd numbers. Okay, now they are talking about the average. Let's first find out the sum. What is the sum? What is the sum of the odd numbers? Sum of the odd numbers is, how much it is? 8x plus 16. 8x plus 16. What is the sum of the even numbers? 6x plus 6. 6x plus 6. Getting it? Next, average. Average. They are saying average. What is average? Average is sum divided by 4. Will you agree? Sum divided by 4 will get you the average. Why? There are 4 numbers. So sum divided by 4. So how much will you get? 2x plus 4. Right? Here there are 3 numbers. So sum divided by 3 will get you the average. Sum divided by 3 will get you the average. So 2x plus 6x plus 6, right? 2x plus 2. Getting it? Got it, right? So you got the average as well. So now they are saying average of odd is 6 less than the average of even. Average of even minus the average of odd. Please do that. Average of even 2x plus 2 minus the average of odd. Now remember, there are 2 different numbers, odd and even. So here you got to be a bit careful. You got to be a bit careful regarding one thing. If you take the odd numbers as x, you cannot take even the even numbers as x, right? Why? 2 separate numbers. You have taken odd and you are going to take an even. So don't take this as x. let's take this as y. Let's take this as y. Yes, because odd you have taken it as x, so even you don't take it as x, even you take it as y. Fine, even you can take it as y. So 2y plus 2, right, minus odd is 2x plus 4. So average of even minus the average of odd, what I say, is 6 less. Average of odd is 6 less. Average of odd is 6 less. Perfect. You frame the equation. So 2y minus 2x minus 2, this will become 8. So y minus x is equal to 4. Y minus x is equal to 4, or y is equal to x plus 4. Y is equal to x plus 4 is what you have framed. Got it? Perfect. Now they say if the sum of the three even numbers is 16 less than the sum of the four odd numbers, okay, sum of even minus the sum of odd is what they are asking you to do. Sum of even minus the sum of odd. So please do it. Sum of even minus the sum of odd. What are they saying? Sum of even is 16 less than the sum of the four odd numbers. Okay, so sum of even is 16 less. So even is 16 less. So what is the sum of odd? 8x plus 16. So 8x plus 16 minus sum of the even, 6y plus 6. Remember, this is the sum of the even, is equal to 16. So 8x minus 6y, 16 will cancel out, will be equal to 6. You divide throughout by 2. So 4x minus 3y is equal to 3. Substitute the value of y. Substitute the value of y from equation 1. Substitute the value of y from equation 1. Please substitute. 4x minus 3. What is y? Y is x plus 4 is equal to 3. So 4x minus 3 is x. So how much is this? Minus 12. 12 plus 3, 15. X is equal to 15. Correct? Now they are asking what is the average of x1, x2. Basically they are asking average of odd. What is the average of odd numbers? 2x plus 4. What is the average of odd numbers? 2x plus 4, right? That's what they are asking. So 2x plus 4 is the average of odd. Please substitute the value of x, 15. So your answer is 30. Beautiful question which appeared in the Maharashtra CET in the year 2016. In the year 2016. Any doubt? Anyone? So people who are viewing me live, any doubt you have? Got it, right? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. Let's go to number 3. 34. Perfect. Okay. I think let's not hurry up. Let's not hurry up and finish it. We'll stop here. We will stop here. We have done only 2 questions today. But remember, this was the first class. I will again repeat, why do you need to appear for the Maharashtra CET? You have some of the finest colleges like JBIMS, Sydenham, KJ Somaiya, Wellinger. Reason number 1. Reason 2, it is located in Bombay. Most of the best colleges are located in Bombay, the financial hub of Asia. So you have super awesome placements. Point number 3, the return on investment is very, very high. 1 lakh, 2 lakh you spend and you end up with a 20 lakh package. What more do you need? So Maharashtra CET definitely is an exam you must appear. Is it only for Maharashtrians? No, not. Any student can write this exam, but for Maharashtrians you have got reservations. You get the point, right? So also remember, today evening I'm going to start an exclusive Maharashtra CET batch on Unacademy Plus. We are going to start with logical and abstract reasoning. Logical and abstract reasoning. This is one batch which you must attend if you want to do well in the Maharashtra CET. You can go for a 1 month subscription. 1 month subscription if you want. But I'm going to do everything regarding the Maharashtra CET. Abstract reasoning is something that you have never done before in other exams. We are going to do it live starting today 10 p.m. If you want to get even a 1 month subscription, you can definitely use this code Parikshit Saikia. It will give you 10% off on the 1 month subscription fee. So you can go for a 1 month or a 3 month subscription and be with us for your Maharashtra CET. Remember, every morning YouTube, I'm going to solve quants. And night on Unacademy Plus, we are going to have 2-hour sessions on reasoning for the CET. Get it? Okay, I think that's it. That's it for today, and I'm going to continue the questions tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we are going to continue whatever you have not solved. So every morning, 9:30 a.m., you're going to see me live helping you crack the CET. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Bye for now.